Oh my God, this guy is unbelievable. A giant gear worth hundreds of thousands made in his workshop for just $1,000. How did they do it? First, measuring the radius of the big gear with a ruler, marking it on the ground. Mixing sandy soil with sand in a mixer, laying it in the pit on the ground to prepare for molding. Using tools for making molds like a pizza, piece by piece. Workers used tons of iron blocks pressed onto the mold to prevent iron leakage during pouring to avoid hollows inside the gear. Then, melting scrap iron in a furnace. When the iron blocks reach a certain temperature, they turn into molten iron. Pouring the molten iron into the mold. After cooling, it becomes a new part. Now pouring the molten iron slowly from the pouring mouths on both sides. The temperature here is very high, but workers strive to work hard to support their families. Now we can see the molten iron overflowing from the vent holes. That proves the entire mold is filled with molten iron. After cooling, the gear pulled out from the mold is in this shape, placing the gear on the lathe. Now what needs to be done is to grind off the surface burrs. Look at the iron shavings on the ground, falling like feathers in snow. This thing, like a wolf's tooth club, is the gear's shaft. Its material is even harder, so it cuts through iron like mud. The imprints on the gear after processing are very beautiful. Then using a grinding wheel to polish other parts. Can't get your hands cut. Then spray a layer of rust-proof paint on the gear. The oversized gear is now complete.